Welcome to Science Biology. Let's practice some quick and important MCQ on e-waste management. Perfect for your exam and quick revision. Stay tuned and let's level up your preparation in minutes. Question number 1. What is e-waste? E-waste is a electronic device and component that are discarded. Question number 2. Which of the following is the major component of e-waste? Answer option B. Electronic gadgets like phones, computers and television are the major component of e-waste. Question number 3. What is the main environmental concern with improper e-waste disposal? Answer option C. Water contamination with heavy metals is the main environmental concern with improper e-waste disposal. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a harmful substance found in e-waste? Answer option C. Copper is not a harmful substance found in e-waste. Question 5. The e-waste management rules were introduced in India in which year? Answer option D in 2015. Question number 6. The e-waste management rules 2016 introduce which of the following feature? Answer option A. Extended producer responsibility EPR is introduced. Question number 7. Which ministry is responsible for implementing the e-waste management rules in India? Answer option E. Ministry of Environmental, Forest and Climate Change is responsible for implementing the e-waste management rules in India. Question number 8. What is the primary aim of the extended producer responsibility in e-waste management? Answer option C. To ban the use of toxic materials in electronics is the primary aim of the extended producer responsibility in e-waste management. Question 9. In India, e-waste management is primarily the responsibility of answer option C. Manufacturer and producer of electronic goods. Question number 10. Which of the following is a major challenge in the management of e-waste in India? Answer option D. All of the above. Lack of awareness among consumers, insufficient recycling infrastructure, high cost of recycling is the major challenge in the management of e-waste in India. Question number 11. What is the role of Central Pollution Control Board in e-waste management in India? Answer option D. All of the above. Monitoring the collection and recycling of e-waste, issuing guidelines and standards for e-waste disposal, conducting awareness program are the role of Central Pollution Control Board in e-waste management in India. Question number 12. Which of the following countries is India's largest source of imported e-waste? Answer option B. United States is the India's largest source of imported e-waste. Question number 30. Which of the following is a key component of a successful e-waste management system in India? Answer option D. All of the above. Robust collection and recycling infrastructure, public-private partnership, strict monitoring and enforcement of rules are the key component of a successful e-waste management system in India. Question number 40. What is one of the major problems associated with informal e-waste recycling in India? Answer option C. Health hazard to workers due to exposure to toxic chemicals is the major problems associated with informal e-waste recycling in India. Question number 50. What is the most common method of e-waste disposal in India? Option B. Dumping in landfills is the most common method of e-waste disposal in India.